Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman responded to the increasing calls for withdrawing the goods and services tax, the GST, on health and medical insurance. She emphasized that states' tax laws have been replicated under GST and urged those advocating for a rollback to first engage with their respective state finance ministers. She went on to say that this was a tax that existed even before GST came into existence. She said this was a pre-GST tax and that people were paying this premium even earlier. Listen in.
To talk and to respond to individual मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस के ऊपर जीएसटी आने से पहले से हर स्टेट में प्री जीएसटी टैक्स लगता था। ये नया विषय आज नहीं आया है और जीएसटी पैदा होने के बाद नहीं आया, हर स्टेट में था पहले। आज आकर इधर प्रदर्शनी करने वाले हर एक से मैं पूछ रही हूं, आपके स्टेट में पहले बात की है क्या? उसको हटाओ, नहीं किए।
Just in case you are raising and saying that it is 18%, out of that 18%, 9% goes to the state. And the other, out of the other 9%, a substantial portion, that is say, nearly another 24 rupees or so goes in. So suppose the state is taxing 100 rupees, 50% goes to the state. And of that other 50%, she says around approximately 24 rupees more. So that's around 74 goes back to the state governments in terms of levies, in terms of taxation. This is a political demand that has been made. It has been reflected in the GST on the 31st, 37th, in 3 GST meetings. As you're well aware, the GST is a council where all the finance ministers are present along with them and all have voting rights, and they all have to then push their way through and explain why they don't want it. There has to be a rationalization. The GST meet is expected shortly. Hopefully at that time, now that a huge political demand has been done, there will be relief to those who have medical insurances, that they don't need to pay a GST because that is approximately 24,000 crores which is being given to states as well as the center. And as she explained, 12,000 of that already straight away goes to the state. Another substantial portion also from this center's kitty is passed on to the state government.